So in this video we would see how to color grade a log video. This is a log video recorded on my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Let's go to the edit page. You can see the log video here. Let's drag and drop the video to the timeline. You can see this video which is plain and flat. Let's now go to the color page. Here you can see nodes. Nodes just act like layers while color grading a video. Here you can see the preview of the video which we want to color grade. Now let's add 2 to 3 nodes as required to color grade. I have added 3 nodes for basic color grading and some adjustments. Now let's name them. First one would be CST. CST stands for color space transform. Second one would be for saturation adjustment. The third one would be for exposure adjustment. Now let's go to the effects tab and scroll down to color space transform. Drag it and place it over the CST node. Now here you can see a new panel for color space transform. Now in this input space we would search for Sony S-Log3 and in input gamma search for Sony S-Log3. As you can see, the flat log video is now normal. This is the basic step to bring your log footage back to its normal form. Now let's go to the saturation node. Here below the color wheels, search for saturation and adjust it according to your footage and output needs. Now you can see as you adjust the saturation, your footage color pops up and brightens. Now the last exposure node. Here in the color wheel you can adjust offset. Toggle it according to the output needs and watch the video change its form. You can see and compare them before color grading and after color grading them. Now let's go to the export page and export your footage.